Okay, so look, I'm going to explain the conditionals. Yeah. So look, the conditionals are sentences that shows that result that happens in the future or could happen from a situation. Yeah. So look, we have four types of conditionals. We have the zero conditional, which is the first official grammar explanation. Yeah. So the zero conditional, it's used for things that are true as long as the condition is met. Yeah, we have the form right here. We need if, then we need the present simple and another sentence using the present simple. Okay, so the condition right here has to be true. It needs to be true. So we have the example. If you heat water until 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. Yes, so look right here we have the condition and the result. Yes, zero, it's true. If I drink too much coffee, I get a headache. Yes, so look, right here we have the condition and the result. Yeah, so the zero conditional, it's always true. Then we have the first conditional. Yeah, right here, the first conditional is used to predict the result or of a future action. Think that happen in the future. Yes, so right here we have the form. If present simple and the other one is will and infinitive. So right here we have the example. If she gets good grades, she will go to the university. So look, we change a little bit the situation right here. If she gets good grades, she will go to the university. Now right here we're using will. You will fail the exam if you don't do more work. Yes, so we have the result, the possible result now, and the condition. This is the first conditional. Then we have the second conditional. Right here we have the second conditional is used to talk about situations that are unlikely or unreal. Yes, it can refer to the present or the future. Unlikely, unreal. So now it's different. Right here we have the form. Now we use the past simple, would, and the infinitive. If I were you, I wouldn't do it. Look, if, right, we have the past. If I were you, I wouldn't do it. We have another example right here. I would learn Italian if I had the time. Yes, I would learn Italian if I had the time. And finally, we have the third conditional. The third conditional is used to speculate about the imaginary result of things which didn't happen. Now we have the form if past perfect. Now we change to past perfect. Would have and past participle. Now let's go to the example. If you had studied past perfect harder, you would have passed your exams. If you had studied harder, you would have passed your exams. Another one, we wouldn't have been late. We wouldn't have, it's a negative, been late if we hadn't missed the bus. If and past perfect. Yeah. Then we have right here a chart with the zero conditional, with the first conditional, second and third conditional. Right here you can see all the structures that we need in order to use them. Uh, and we have some examples and the uses facts which are generally true or scientific facts. The condition always has the same result. A possible situation in the future, hypothetical or unlikely situation. and the same person is imagining a different past. Yeah, but we have mixed conditionals. Yeah, so we use the mixed conditionals uh, if we want to like express a situation in the past and the results in the future, or a situation in the past and the possible results in the future. Yeah, we can use all the four conditionals, but mostly we use the second and the third conditional. Yeah, let's check some examples. Look, we have right here the third conditional. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Yes, and we have the second conditional. If she had enough money, she could buy a new car. Yes. Now look, we mixed the third and the second conditional right here. We have the mixed. If I had studied harder, yeah, we take this. I would pass the exam. Yes. We have the parts of the second conditional. Remember that the second is would, but we could use like may, we could use would or could. The mixed conditional right here. If she had enough money, we use the second conditional. She could have bought a new car long ago. Yeah. So right here we have the part of the third conditional. Remember the structure? Can use could or would. Yes. Look, we have another example right here. Past condition, the present, the future result. Yeah. This is what I was telling you. And this type of mixed conditional refers to an unreal past condition and its probable results in the future or the present. In this mixed conditional sentences, the time is the past and the if clause, and the present in the main clause. Example, if I had worked harder at school, I would have a better job now. If we had looked at the map, we wouldn't be lost. You would be dead now if you had caught the plane. If I had taken an aspirin, I wouldn't have a headache now. Look, if I had worked, yes, I would have. Now you're mixed. And I'm going to finish with this example. Now we have the if past simple would have past participle, the present condition, and the past result. Yes. An unreal situation and the probable but unreal past result. In this mixed conditional sentence, the time in the if clause is now or always, and in the time the main clause is before now. If I wasn't afraid of spiders, look, I would have picked up. If we didn't trust him, we would have sacked him months ago. I would have been happy to help you if I wasn't in the middle of another meeting. If I was a good cook, I would have invited them to lunch. If she had enough money, she could have done this trip to Hawaii. Yes. So I'm going to send you some more information about the conditional so we can do the exercises on the platform and to work on the Google Classroom